How to add audio in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video I'll teach you guys how you can add audio in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is head over to canva.com and log into your account. After you do that, you can head over to any project or start a new project. So simply open up a project that you want to. And yeah, after you open up a project or a video, what you can do to add an audio is you can simply import it, or you can simply just, mm, use it from your uh, Ca- Canva itself. So right here, you should see a lot of different options here. Let me just go around here and find different stuff. So let me just go back to the projects. And after you open up this project, what you can do to uh, add a audio is simply import it. So to import that, what you'll need to do is you can just head over here. You'll see uploads. Now you can drag and drop your audio if you want to. Or there is also an audio section here which you can use to simply use in your project. So as you can see, there are different options such as elements here where you can find audio too. There are a premium version of audios as well. Simply search for free ones or simply upload it to Canva and then use it. So if you add it, it'll just directly go here. And yeah, that is basically how you add audio in Canva. And that is all for today's video now. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.